Abanyishengero aba babire bebembirwe umunyishengerokazi owa district ya Kamwenge hamwe n'orukura akakikwaka Dr. Rutahigwa Elias n'abandi kandi babandize kubuganaho abarukura irwarureri.
It was constructed over 30 years ago for the Rwandese refugees by that time who were here from Rwanda. So we started as a small unit, and it has seen us grow from a sub-county to a district status. And it's now serving the entire district. So it is small, squeezed, and it puts our patients and health workers at risk, especially in this time of COVID.
Abakachiko na bwanyuma barambuire imyanya etari yemwe nemwe ahirwa reri kandi hona bashangire abarwire barukubagana ebitanda nemebazeriyo nayo ngo ninje.
Ezishaho turagambira enyinji tibajine za gloves ebomba zo kutere bukato so twashanga ngo echo kirabireta kugira ngo department era sindike mibaze itureta National Medical Store era basindikire mibaze mica era basindikire mibaze ringana na budget yabo eyibe ineyo so chamanyisa ngo kutaya yakwitu hanu yankaba member wa parliament kwabo ko mugasho munongo.
The cylinders have to get, because like I talk now, we have 10 cylinders, the plastic product is down, we cannot get cylinders.
Abantu bagira ngo buhereza ahirwa reri bushemerire kongerwamo amani.
Ngeno tujya kugira ngo twayamba amarwariraga kurabira mu parliament kurabira mu ministry of health kurango by'amagara babasa kubita aha mutindo ubucirwa.
Ati nka department ya radiography harimo radiographer omwe kandi aratugira ngo umurimo ni mwinji munonga baletaga kuba bali babiri kandi na machine yarakozesa aletaga eri upgraded eyina mani kuchiraho yarakozesa.
Abakachiko k'ibyamagara bariyo nibetorora amarwaro gatargamwe na gamwe omwihanga kureba umutindo gw'amarwaro okuguri gashakwa Ansona Twin